Alright, so now I have took out a chunk of this, but I don't know how far I want to go back, so what I did was check, see what's soft. It's not soft at all, I know it's been wet, but I think I'm going to come back to about right there. And I can measure from the wall, but I don't want to count on the walls in a mobile home because they're not square. By the way, stick-built houses are the same. Do not count on it. Check it in. So that I'm going to cut out, and I think I'm going to put 2x beside it because it would give more strength underneath here. So I wouldn't say that's the gospel, you have to do it that way, but I think I will do it that way so that I can have that strength added. So we'll get a saw and we'll cut this line over to here, and we'll take you from there.